Lucknow, the name itself evokes images of a bygone era, a time when the city was the epitome of grace and grandeur. Known as the City of Nawabs, Lucknow has a rich history that dates back centuries. It was once the seat of power for the Nawabs of Awadh, who were known for their patronage of the arts, culture and cuisine. The city still retains much of its old-world charm with its narrow lanes, bustling bazaars and grand havelis, an era of grace, elegance and refinement. The Nawabs were not just rulers, they were connoisseurs of art and culture. They built magnificent palaces, mosques and gardens that still stand today as a testament to their legacy. The architecture of Lucknow is a blend of Mughal, Persian and Indian styles, creating a unique and captivating aesthetic. A time when Nawabs or rulers presided over a kingdom known for its art, culture and hospitality. The Nawabs were known for their lavish lifestyles and their love for poetry, music and dance. They were patrons of the famous Lucknow Gharana of classical music and Kathak dance. The city was a hub of cultural activity, attracting artists and scholars from all over the country. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is a city that wears its heritage on its sleeve. The city's historical monuments, such as the Bara Imambara, Imambara and Rumi Darwaza, are a testament to its glorious past. These structures are not just architectural marvels, they are also symbols of the city's rich cultural heritage. It is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. The old city, with its narrow lanes and bustling markets, is a stark contrast to the modern, planned areas with wide roads and high-rise buildings. Yet both parts of the city blend seamlessly, creating a unique urban landscape. Lucknow is a city of contrasts. The old and the new, the traditional and the modern, coexist here in a delicate balance. The city's markets are a perfect example of this. In the old city, you will find traditional bazaars selling everything from spices to jewelry, while in the newer parts of the city, you will find modern malls and shopping complexes. Modern skyscrapers rise above ancient monuments. The city's skyline is a mix of old and new, with historical structures standing tall alongside modern buildings. This juxtaposition is a reflection of the city's ability to embrace change while preserving its heritage. The cacophony of traffic is punctuated by the call to prayer from mosques. The city's mosques, with their towering minarets and intricate designs, are a reminder of its rich Islamic heritage. The call to prayer, or azan, is a soothing sound that provides a moment of calm amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. The aroma of spices wafts from street food vendors, mingling with the scent of jasmine flowers. Lucknow is famous for its street food, and the city's markets are a food lover's paradise. From kebabs to biryanis, the city's cuisine is a reflection of its rich cultural heritage. The spices used in Lucknow's cuisine are a blend of Indian and Persian influences, creating a unique and flavorful experience. Lucknow is a city that has something to offer everyone. Whether you are a history buff, a foodie, or a nature lover, you will find something to captivate your interest. The city's attractions are diverse, ranging from historical monuments and cultural sites to parks and gardens. History buffs will be enthralled by its magnificent Mughal architecture. The city's historical sites are a treasure trove of architectural wonders, with intricate designs and detailed carvings that tell the story of its glorious past. Foodies will be spoilt for choice with its delectable Awadhi cuisine. The city's culinary scene is a reflection of its rich cultural heritage, with a variety of dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From the famous tunde kebabi to the mouth-watering biryanis, Lucknow's cuisine is a gastronomic delight, and nature lovers will find solace in its many parks and gardens. The city's green spaces are a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of urban life. From the sprawling Janeshwar Mishra Park to the serene Ambedkar Memorial Park, Lucknow's parks offer a peaceful retreat. But above all, Lucknow is a city of people. The city's residents are known for their warmth and hospitality, and it is this sense of community that makes Lucknow such a special place. The people of Lucknow are proud of their city's heritage and are always ready to share it with visitors, warm, welcoming, and always ready with a smile. The people of Lucknow are known for their friendliness and their willingness to help others. Whether you are a visitor or a resident, you will always feel at home in Lucknow. It is the people who make Lucknow such a special place. Their warmth, hospitality, and sense of community are what truly define the city. Lucknow is not just a city, it is a living, breathing entity that thrives on the spirit of its people. Lucknow is situated on the banks of the Gomti River. The river is the lifeblood of the city. It's a source of water, transportation and recreation. The Gomti Riverfront Development Project has transformed the banks of the river into a beautiful promenade. The city experiences a humid subtropical climate with distinct seasons. Summers are hot and humid, while winters are cool and pleasant. The monsoon season brings much-needed relief from the heat. The best time to visit Lucknow is during the winter months, from October to March. The weather is pleasant and the city is decked up for the festive season. Despite being a bustling metropolis, Lucknow, the City of Nawabs, is a place where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously. The city is known for its rich cultural heritage, historical monuments, and vibrant markets. However, what truly sets it apart is its abundance of green spaces that offer a much-needed escape from the urban chaos. Lucknow is blessed with an abundance of green spaces. These verdant oases are scattered throughout the city, providing residents and visitors with a serene environment to unwind and reconnect with nature. From sprawling parks to quaint gardens, there is no shortage of places to find peace and tranquility. These parks and gardens provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. They are perfect for leisurely strolls, picnics with family and friends, or simply sitting on a bench and soaking in the natural beauty. The lush greenery and well-maintained landscapes make these spaces a true delight for the senses. Janeshwar Mishra Park, one of the largest parks in Asia, is a popular destination for families and nature lovers. Spanning over 376 acres, this park is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving green spaces. It features beautifully landscaped gardens, walking trails, and numerous recreational facilities. The park has something for everyone, with a lake, a children's play area, and a botanical garden. The lake is a serene spot for boating, while the play area is always buzzing with the laughter of children. The botanical garden, with its diverse collection of plants, is a haven for botany enthusiasts. The Gomti Riverfront Park is another popular destination, offering stunning views of the river. This park stretches along the banks of the Gomti River and is a perfect spot to watch the sunset. The well-paved pathways and lush lawns make it an ideal place for evening walks and outdoor activities. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll, go for a jog, or simply relax and enjoy the scenery. The park is also a popular spot for fitness enthusiasts who come here for their morning and evening workouts. The gentle breeze from the river adds to the overall calming experience. For those who prefer to be closer to nature, the Kukrail Forest Reserve is a must-visit. This expansive forest area is located on the outskirts of the city and offers a unique opportunity to experience the wilderness without venturing too far from urban comforts. This sprawling forest is home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. The reserve is also known for its crocodile breeding centre, which attracts wildlife lovers from all over. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher or simply looking to escape the city, Kukrail Forest Reserve offers a refreshing retreat into nature. Section 4. The Green Canopy of Lucknow. Lucknow is known for its lush greenery. The city is home to a variety of trees, both native and exotic. The neem tree, with its medicinal properties, is a common sight. The mango tree, laden with fruit in the summer, is a symbol of abundance. The peepal tree, considered sacred by Hindus, is often found near temples. These trees provide shade from the scorching sun and help to purify the air. They are an integral part of Lucknow's landscape and cultural heritage. Section 5. A jewel of biodiversity, the Lucknow Zoo. No trip to Lucknow is complete without a visit to the Lucknow Zoo. Established in 1921, the zoo is home to a diverse collection of animals from around the world. Visitors can see majestic tigers, playful monkeys, graceful deer, and colorful birds. The zoo plays a vital role in conservation efforts, educating visitors about the importance of protecting endangered species. It is a place where people can connect with nature and learn about the importance of wildlife conservation. Section 6. The Rhythm of Kathak. Lucknow is renowned for its cultural heritage, particularly its association with Kathak, a classical dance form of North India. Kathak originated in the temples of ancient India, where it was performed as a form of storytelling. Over the centuries, Kathak evolved under the patronage of the Mughal courts. Lucknow became a major center for Kathak, known for its graceful movements, intricate footwork, and expressive storytelling. Today, Lucknow continues to be a hub for Kathak, with numerous dance schools and academies keeping this ancient art form alive. Section 7. Lucknow, a tapestry of nature and culture. Lucknow is a city where history, culture, and nature intertwine. This city, often referred to as the City of Nawabs, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders, cultural festivals, and lush green spaces. Each corner of Lucknow tells a story, from its ancient monuments to its vibrant street life. From the grandeur of the Bara Imambara and the Rumi Darwaza, these iconic structures stand as testaments to the city's rich Mughal heritage. The Bara Imambara, with its intricate design and vast halls, and the Rumi Darwaza, often called the Turkish Gate, are marvels of Mughal architecture that draw visitors from around the world. To the tranquility of Janeshwar Mishra Park and the Gomtai riverfront, these serene spots offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Janeshwar Mishra Park, one of Asia's largest parks, is a haven for nature lovers, while the Gomti riverfront provides a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls and evening gatherings. Lucknow offers a unique blend of experiences. Whether you're exploring its historic sites or enjoying a quiet moment in one of its many parks, the city has a way of making you feel at home. The warmth and hospitality of its people add to the charm, making every visit memorable. The city's rich heritage is reflected in its architecture, with buildings that showcase a blend of Mughal, British and modern influences. Walking through the streets of Lucknow is like stepping back in time, with each structure narrating tales of a bygone era, its cuisine and its art forms. The city's culinary scene is a feast for the senses, with street food stalls offering delectable treats like kebabs, biryanis and sweets. Local artisans keep traditional crafts alive, creating beautiful works of art that reflect the city's cultural heritage. At the same time, its many green spaces provide a welcome escape from the urban chaos. Parks and nature trails offer residents and visitors alike a chance to reconnect with nature, unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Lucknow is a city that has something to offer everyone. From scenic views and diverse activities to cultural events and historical explorations, there's always something new to discover. The city's vibrant atmosphere and rich traditions make it a destination worth exploring. Whether you are a history buff, a foodie or a nature lover, Lucknow is sure to captivate you with its charm. The city's diverse offerings ensure that every visitor finds something that resonates with their interests and passions. Lucknow is sure to captivate you with its charm. As the sun sets over the skyline, the city transforms into a magical place, with illuminated landmarks and bustling markets. It's a sight that leaves a lasting impression on all who witness it. It is a city that will stay with you long after you have left. The memories of its beauty, culture and hospitality will linger, inviting you to return and experience its wonders all over again.